The May 2021 release of Ideate Sticky is now available for Revit versions 2019 through 2022. In this video, we'll cover the top improvements for Ideate Sticky. Be sure to review the What's New in Ideate Software video to learn about general improvements that also apply to Ideate Sticky. This release of Ideate Sticky includes several customer-requested improvements, such as the ability to open the source document directly from Sticky, and the ability to multi-select all stickies and set the auto-update option or change the path type. Having more choices for images, including color and transparency, are also popular customer requests that we're delighted to deliver on. Word, Excel, or PDF documents are managed as images in Sticky, and in the previous release were opaque. This made it impossible to overlap pages within the margins, as we see here. You can update your existing Sticky images by selecting them all and then using the Update From button, as shown here. Enabling color options and transparency gives you greater control over your sheet layouts and ensures that important information is not being hidden. Lastly, Ideate Sticky has been updated to better support the new file path locations required by the change from BIM 360 to the Autodesk Construction Cloud. We know how disruptive any file path change can be, so we've worked hard to support a seamless integration with the new Autodesk branding. There are two ways to access the latest release of Ideate Software. From within any of the Ideate Software products, you can find updates via the Help menu as shown. You can also visit ideatesoftware.com/download to retrieve any software updates and trial versions of our products. Finally, be sure to review the What's New in Ideate Software video to learn about general improvements that also apply to Ideate Sticky. From the entire Ideate Software team, thank you so much for reviewing this What's New video.